Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Waze, no GPS, showing approximate location. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, what you need to do is go ahead and locate your Waze app on your mobile device, click and hold it, and then you want to click on the little I button to bring up more settings. And now you're inside the app info. So from here, you want to scroll down and then click on where it says permissions. And then make sure where it says allowed, your location is turned on. And I'll give a demonstration. So what I'll do, I'll click don't allow. And now if you're where it says not allowed, click on where it says location. So click on location and then click on where it says allow all the time or allow only while using the app. I'll just click on allow only while using the app, go back. And as you can see, allowed, your location is now set to allowed, and that will fix your problem.